Kia. I'm from ICT Business Telkom University.
And I'm Habib Muammar Fallon, you can call me Fallon, and I'm from ICT Business Telkom University also, same with Kia.
And I'm Angel from ICT Business, same with Kia.
And I'm Zahran Ramadan and I'm from Industrial Engineering.
Hi guys, my name is Razita Nadira Fajrin, my friend call me Dira, and now I'm majoring in Telecommunication Engineering, class of 2022, and currently studying at Telkom University.
My name is Matt Sakinanti from ICT Business.
My name is Muhammad Syah Ramadan from ICT Business.
And my name is Muhammad Hidayat from ICT Business too.
Okay guys, so how is our impression for this program?
Memorable! Why it's memorable? It's because we have a lot of time with the Malaysian people, with the buddies, and we have a lot of quality time, and we have a lot of good activities, and even sometimes we exchange our culture and our traditional things, and the thing that makes really memorable is we explore the Malaysia, and yeah, that's why that's feel memorable for us.
Yeah, okay. So I'm going to give the feedback for UNITEN. First of all, it was so wonderful. It was great enough, the facility, the hospitality especially. And I feel like I became more motivated in studying because after I see the campus environment of UNITEN, it makes me feel like I want to study there maybe in the future one day.
Yeah, and from me is I want to give the feedback about the buddies. They're so friendly and they're very nice to us. They're really accompany us for the whole activity, and sometimes if we get confused about something or we're tired, they're ready to help us.
Yeah,
and they're really empathic and they're always be there for us. So, and I want to say thank you for the buddies for the all thing that you give to us.
Okay, and for me, I want to give feedback for Telkom University. For next ICCS program, it will be better if we have two lecturers, one woman and one boy, to make this program more effective.
There's any feedback for this program? It's very memorable and it's very short. It's kind of sad. It's very short. Wish it could be more longer, to be more memorable.
First impression about this program is unforgettable. At first, honestly, I'm joining this program just because I'm fulfilling my graduation requirements, but didn't expect it turns out to be really amazing. Like, it was my first time went abroad with just my friends. The places, the activities, the buddies, and also the foods. It was all amazing. Really enjoyed every single activities they provided, like planting nipa, hiking at Bukit Malawati, visiting KLCC. But if I had to choose one, I would choose to go lepak time, which means hang out in Malaysia. The UNITEN buddies took us to some of cool local spots in there, like the Nasi Penang Central, which is near the UNITEN. Also, we strolling around the Putrajaya Bridge. It was all super fun, even though I was tired because of the full day activities, but it was all worth it to spend time with them. The transportation was great because they took us to places we want to visit, like the mall, the IOI mall. I mean, who even dropped off from the mall with the bus? I mean, in Indonesia, it's really rare to drop off by the bus to the mall. Honestly, this program is already awesome, but I think maybe next time they can make this program a bit longer so we can explore more about the culture, also interacted with the local students to exchange our different perspective of culture.
How was our impression joining this ICCS program? Awesome! So how about you, Farid?
So UNITEN served the best hospitalities ever. The facilitation was great, the accommodation was comfortable, and the transportation was great, and also the food was really delicious, right? And all the programs that have been programmed by UNITEN really great gave me great experience, like strolling around KL, going to Firefly sanctuaries, and more than that.
Exactly. And how about you, Sahrul?
Okay, for the buddies, I think they really done a great job, especially for Akmal and Anik. they accommodate us very briefly, and they have overall they done really great jobs.
So we would like to say that this is very unforgettable moments for us, and also important because we really cherish our moments there. Really have so many good memories there. So thank you guys. This is from us. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.